Here we are at the old garage refurb, or the turn the room into a garage into a room. Today we've got to attempt to put a doorway in there. We've stripped it back to the bare bones now. And we've got to make an entrance door in here. We've got to move that radiator, and we'll see what we do.
Always be careful using a knife at home, children. Make sure you're supervised by an adult.
And is that a special type of health and safety blade, or is that your bog standard there?
No, that's bloody sharp.
Yeah, right.
Go through bone like butter.
Get on the old health and safety hotbar. There we go. Ooh.
Dash sheet with a safety net box.
Yeah. Alright. So we're now got to put these in to see where we've got cut through the other side. Alright. Don't know if you can see that, but we've now marked the line down there. That's one side of the opening. That's the other side. So what we've got to do is try and get the worst of the dust out of the way before we smash through. And our man has now got to get some whizzer action. Cut through. Look at that. At least we know the smoke detector work.
Don't charge any extra for testing that.
It's all part of the service we do offer, whether you want it or not. See what our goal was. We want to get through and find the plausible without actually smashing through the house. We'll get worse of the dust this side, which will be sweet. Oh,
and a bonus, the smoke detector.
Yeah. Pardon.
Oh,
that's why.
That's where it's gone through the gap, isn't it?
Oh well.
Ain't that bad, isn't it?
No.
I've seen worse. I have seen worse. Timber.
Living la vida loca. Time to get the opening. Blah blah blah.
Being careful of the pipes.
Yeah, the stuff's in the skip. Bush. Okay, you can see we've got the hole out. You'll get a little in there. Found the pipes. Got the levels. See that old dot and dab routine there, look. Holler as hell. That's what your house is built up today. Lintel, little pre-stressed concrete one. Builders' favourites. What's that?
That's how we roll.
Here we are, this is what we revealed. We can tell the age of the place. Look, as you can see that lovely cut nail through the skirting. None of this glue treatment, boy. Look at that, proper fixing. One there.
Stick.
Yeah, and there's one there as well, look. Wow. Cut nails, boy, you can't beat it. Look at that.
Thump it in with a nice hammer.
No glue, boy. Ain't got to come off there.
Ruin one of them pin guns. Lovely. None of that.
We'll put that temporarily up there. We'll bed that up. Oh, come on, let's have another look at that. How long is that?
Yeah, I'll give you. I'll take my ruler.
Look at that, look.
That's how much it's sticking through.
That's a 75mm.
That's bigger than 3 inches. Eh?
Incredible, isn't it?
It's about 3.5, isn't it?
Can you imagine saying to some young lad now, I want to cut nails in there, boy.
Give him a bucket. Give him a bucket full of rusty ones of them. So
Yeah. Get that on.
Get that on.
Oh, maybe 600.
And no half crowns in the wood.
Yeah. There we go. We can patch up that later. Look at them little pins in there. Whoa, lovely. Look at that. Spot on, isn't it?
Give it one bit. Right, then stick a bit of wire with it now, guys.
Cool.
That'll be alright. What do you think of that, boss?
Cool. Perfect.
Fit like stalking on a chicken's leg.
Yeah, stalking on chicken's leg.
There we go.
Lovely. Dee 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 dee. Oh, it's been a long while since I've done that, boss. A long time.
Who is that glass man? Why, it's the Foam Ranger! Hi ho, Silver! Away!
Foam Ranger!
Get me more tins, King of South.
Oh, you make all I want to do is film things.
Happiness, yeah.
Happiness. Well, they do this in North Norfolk. They just do it full of resin, don't they? You resin everything up, boy.
2-pack resin ball.
Yeah. Oh. Make sure I don't stand on that. Oh. Got me a leakage there. He wonders what's the matter with the big white brother. Oh, we got to do that top bit now. I'll do that when I get there. Mind you, don't stand on that box. Just get a wet wipe. I'll clean that off. There we go. All boarded up. Ready for the next section.